Hi, I'm Ilaf. Welcome to my today's session. Today we'll troubleshoot one of the most commonly received error message on your OneDrive application and we'll resolve it. So let's have a look at the issue. When trying to sync a OneDrive site, you receive a message stating, sorry, OneDrive can't add your folder right now. Please contact support. So I'll switch back to my lab and let's quickly have a look at this issue. So this is my user who's facing this issue. I'll try to log in with his account. So here's the error. Sorry, OneDrive can't add your folder right now. So this error message might seem very generic and it might confuse you because it doesn't give any reason or any cause of this issue or how to fix this issue. So do not worry. The fix is really simple. So before we jump to the resolution, first of all, let's discuss what might cause this issue. So there are a few list of causes. And the major thing that contributes to this error message is when your user or when you make some changes inside your documents library of your OneDrive site, which is the default documents document library. So let's have a look at the possible causes. So the first cause is require checkout is enabled on the library. The second one is there might be some required columns inside your OneDrive site that is causing this issue. The third one is the draft item security is set to only users who can edit items. So this can also cause this issue. And all these options are present inside the library settings of your OneDrive site. So if you don't know how to, navigate over there, don't worry. I'll explain it to you in our resolution section. And another cause of this issue could be content approval option is set to yes inside your versioning settings of your OneDrive site. And apart from all these four options, the last one is not related to your library settings. So if it is not you who's trying to, log in or sync the library or the OneDrive on your local machine, if a guest user or an external user who is working with you is trying to sync a folder inside your OneDrive, or maybe he's trying to sync multiple folders or a single folder from your OneDrive to his local machine, he might get the same error message on his machine. It's a generic error. He might also receive this, but uh, as a part of new release feature, Microsoft has released a new feature wherein with the help of B2B configuration, your user or your guest user can also sync contents from your OneDrive site. Previously they used to get this error message, but if they are a part of your B2B configuration, they will not receive an error message. So we'll discuss about the resolution for this right now. So, in order to troubleshoot this issue, I can guide my end user who's facing this issue, or if you are facing this issue, definitely you can do it on your own. But if you are an administrator and you do not want your user to perform all those steps, you can get secondary admin rights on users OneDrive, and we can do this. All right, so all you need to do is navigate to users OneDrive URL and then go to the settings icon and then OneDrive settings. We'll go to more settings and over here return to the old site settings page. You can also navigate over here by using the URL and using this settings.aspx page. So just like I mentioned, your OneDrive has the documents library. So let's navigate to site libraries and list. So let's go to customize documents. So this document library is nothing but your my file section. So your my files is nothing but the document library, which is this one. All right, so in order to resolve this issue, we need to make sure that our versioning settings options, first of all, let's discuss about content approval. It needs to be set as no, and draft item security should be set as any user who can read items, and require checkout should be no as well. All right, so the version history doesn't cause any issue. Even if you set to major version or major or minor version, anything, if you want to add, you can add drafts, that is fine. But these three options, the first one is content approval, the second one is draft item security, and the third one is require checkout. Make sure that it is set to exactly the same as I did over here. So once this is done, let's scroll down and click on save. Apart from these three options inside versioning settings, there is one more option that you need to make sure that your column, you do not have any required field inside your columns, because even if you have a single required field in your columns, it might lead to this error message. So first of all, I can see that I have one required field. So I just need to access that particular column, and I need to set the require that this column contains information to no. So it will uncheck the require option, and I'll save this. All right, once this is done, let's quickly test this out. Now, first of all, you need to click on the OneDrive icon, and then you need to sign in. So I'll sign in. All right, the issue is resolved. So we discussed these 4 resolution steps, and that resolved our issue. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.